Hello my dear students, welcome to our CLE Degree College Chikkodi. Myself Supriya Shegunsi, Department of Chemistry. Dear students, in this video session I will be going to discuss about paper 1 syllabus, that is Chemistry 1 syllabus. According to your syllabus pattern, you are having 3 sections in the chemistry subject. First one is inorganic, second one is organic, and then third one is physical section. See here, first one from inorganic chemistry. First chapter is the coordination chemistry. Here you will be learn about coordination chemistry 1, and then for your section you are having coordination chemistry part 2. In this chapter you will be learn about review of terms, that is the double salt means what, complex salts, central metal ion, ligand, types of ligands, complex ion means what, and coordination number, UPAC nomenclature, as well as valence bond theory and its limitation. And in this one again next part is the isomerism, and then here the types of isomerism, that is ionization isomerism, linkage isomerism, hydrate isomerism, geometrical and optical isomerism with respect to coordination number 4 and 6. And this is your first chapter, that is the coordination chemistry. And then next second chapter is the theory of gravimetric analysis. This chapter it is including on the gravimetric analysis, and this chapter it is very helpful for your practical examination purpose also, or for your practical purpose also. In this chapter you will be learn about the principle of gravimetric analysis, what is the principle involved in the supersaturation, and next one is the Owen-Weimer equation, conditions of precipitation, co-precipitation and post-precipitation, separation of precipitate from mother liquor, washing, properties of washed liquid, and drying and ignition of precipitation and weighing form. These all points are very helpful to your practical experiments, because in this semester your practicals are totally belongs to this one, gravimetric analysis means precipitation, washing, drying, etc. And now third chapter is the inorganic polymers. Inorganic polymers types, comparison with organic polymers. Inorganic polymers, comparison with organic polymers, that is the differentiation between the organic as well as inorganic polymers. And next you will learn about the silicones, phosphonitrile halides, formation, structure and its application. These all points are involving in inorganic polymers. And next one is the green chemistry. It is a very important chapter and it is very interesting chapter. In this chapter you will be learn about the need of green chemistry. What is the need of green chemistry, and then eco-efficiency, green methods, and then what are the green products, and then very most important one is the recycling of wastes. And next one is the 12 principles of green chemistry. And see here, second part is the organic section, that is the organic chemistry. It is having first one chapter is the heterocyclic compounds. Here the classification and then molecular orbital picture and aromatic character of furan is there. Thiophene, pyrrole and pyridine. Synthesis of these compounds furan, thiophene and pyrrole from 1,4-diketones. Pyridine by hand synthesis, and then electrophilic substitution reaction of pyrrole. Furan and pyridine, chlorination, nitration reactions involved, and then basicity of pyridine, piperidine as well as pyrrole. These all points are belongs to heterocyclic compounds. So now next one, second one chapter is the organic synthesis via enolates. In this chapter learning points are the acidity of alpha hydrogens, synthesis of ethyl acetoacetate, it is commonly known as EAA, by Claisen condensation method and its mechanism. Next one is synthesis of diethyl malonate, keto-enol tautomerism of ethyl acetoacetate, next point is the synthesis of the compound by using ethyl acetate and diethyl malonate. So here the synthesis are like this one: ketones, carboxylic acids, heterocyclic compounds as well as dicarboxylic acids. And third one is the alkaloids. Alkaloids, it is the very most important chapter is there. In this chapter you will be learn about the definition of alkaloids, sources, classification and general characteristics, Hofmann exhaustive methylation with pyridine as an example, and isolation, constitution and conformation by synthesis, conine, hygrine and nicotine. These are the learning points involving in the alkaloids chapter. And the next one section is the physical chemistry section, and this first chapter is the microwave spectroscopy. It is involving the learning points like this one: classification of molecules, rotational spectra of rigid diatomic molecules, criteria for showing the spectra, energy levels of rigid rotator, selection rules. That is in this chapter you are having only final equation for the selection rules. And next one, determination of bond length and moment of inertia of HCl molecule. And second one is the phase rule. In this chapter you will be learn about the terminology and explanation of terms involved, applications of phase rule for belongs to one component system, that is the water and sulfur system, two component system, that is the bismuth and cadmium system, potassium iodide as well as water system. And next one is the eutectic and freezing mixture. This chapter it is very important. And next one is the vibrational spectrum. In your physical section, these all chapters belongs to only spectroscopic concept. In this chapter, learning points are the simple harmonic oscillation as well as Hooke's law, and energy level of simple harmonic oscillator, model of atomic molecules. And next one, selection rules. Once again you will learn here selection rules. And next one, 0 point energy, determination of force constant and qualitative relation between force constant as well as bond dissociation energies. And next one is the vibrational degrees of freedom of molecules, that is linear as well as non-linear. And this is your syllabus concept. And here our syllabus discussion points are over. In the next video session I will be discuss about the new chapter belongs to this paper 1. Until keep watching our channel.